What's up, guys? It's Matt with No BS Beard Reviews. Tonight we're going to be taking a look at Mountaineer Brand beard products. Now, if you're not familiar with Mountaineer Brand, they were founded in 2013 by a gentleman named Eric Young. Eric was growing his typical fall beard out and really wasn't happy with the beard products that were on the market at that time. He felt they were too expensive for what you got, and he decided to take matters into his own hands and came out with this great Mountaineer Brand line of products. Now, one of the things I really like about Mountaineer Brand, not only are they very economical, but the fact that they make a full line of products. So the last beard review I did, I mentioned a company that had a full line of beard products. Well, Mountaineer Brand really steps it up and takes it one step further. They have a whole line of products for your entire family. So they have a line called Granny Vickers Family Care, which is really cool. They offer different lip balms, infant care, as well as insect repellents, different salves, rubs for your muscles, etc. And the best thing about all this, they're 100% natural. I've got 2 young kids. I wish I knew about this company when my kids were very young, because those infant care products would have come in really handy, and really knowing that they're 100% natural as well. So I've been very interested in Mountaineer Brand for quite some time now. I reached out to them and they sent me back this great beard care kit. And so it came in this really cool dab kit. And so this beard care kit we're getting ready to take a look at retails for $48 online at their mountaineerbrand.com. I'm going to put a link below to all their different social media accounts. They've actually got a really cool Instagram account I recently subscribed to, and lots of great pictures of the staff at Mountaineer Brand making the different products, different cool shots of their products. As I mentioned, were founded in 2013 out of Martinsburg, West Virginia. So lots of great West Virginia mountain shots, skyline, trees, etc., outdoors, you name it. They've got it on there. But I'll definitely link all their different social media accounts below. They've got some great information there. Again, so yeah, I reached out. They sent me this total beard care kit. This is a great dab kit. It's not huge. I'd say this is probably 8.5, 9 inches across. So it's nice and compact. This isn't going to take up a ton of space in your suitcase. But within this kit comes 2 ounces of beard oil. Now, all of this I chose in their West Virginia timber scent. We'll get into that scent profile in just a minute. So we got the 2 ounce beard oil, a very generous 4 ounces of their beard wash here. And then we also got a 2 ounce beard balm, again in that West Virginia timber scent. And then the kit also comes with this great wood boar's head brush. And it's got, I'd say, medium to firm bristles here. I'm actually not going to use this today because I'm going to include this in a giveaway I'm going to be doing here shortly that I'm going to announce in about a week or so. But the scent profile on this beard oil here, this is that West Virginia timber. And so first let me jump into the ingredients. I'll hold that up close there so you can see that. Now, if you were just to purchase this beard oil by itself, this goes for $12.50 on mountaineerbrand.com. That's a great price for 2 ounces of beard oil. That basically boils down to $6.25 per ounce. Now, this is a top quality beard oil though, so you're not going to find that level of quality anywhere. I know Amazon's got a bunch of cheap beard oils for a similar price, but the quality, nowhere near the quality of this Mountaineer Brand. So ingredients are going to be grapeseed oil, almond oil, castor oil, as well as cedarwood, fir, and eucalyptus essential oils for the scent. And so the scent of this, it's a very woodsy, kind of woodsy cologne-ish. My wife really likes this. She says it smells very clean. This actually reminds me of a cologne my dad used to wear when I was a kid. It came in like a pine cone container. It was green. So if any of you guys know what that cologne is, please add a comment, let me know, because I've been Googling it and I couldn't find it. But it's got a great timberish, piney, I pick up a lot of the fir needle in it personally. But it's got the limiter on the top there, Very easy to get it out. And this is also, it comes in that 2 ounce, this is a blue plastic bottle. So that blue is gonna help keep this good longer, keeping those ultraviolet light rays out. So go ahead and put a little bit in the beard here. I will say that limiter there, that's one of the sharpest I've seen. It gets out exactly the number of drops you want to dispense, and then it doesn't let any more out. A lot of beard oils, you're turning them over, a bunch will shoot out unexpectedly. So I've been using this here for the last 4 or 5 days exclusively. Man, it's got a good scent. Rub it through the beard there. Comb it through with the old Kent comb. Now they did send me this great wood comb here to try out as well. And I'm actually going to include this. I've got some other combs very similar to this. So I'm going to include this in that giveaway I mentioned earlier. So you're going to get 2 great a comb and a brush included in that from Mountaineer Brand. So I got my oil in. Typically after that, I would follow that up with Balm. Now, as I mentioned, I've been using this for 4 or 5 days exclusively, and this stuff has really softened my beard up. It's one thing I noticed instantly after I put that oil in. Definitely feels much softer than before. Now, this is their Magic Beard Balm. So they offer 2 levels of beard balm. This is going to be more or less a conditioning, light to medium hold balm. And then they actually offer a heavy duty balm, which they sent me as well, which we'll take a look at that here shortly, because I've actually incorporated that into my beard routine. I usually just do oil and then beard balm, and then I'm good to go. But I've actually incorporated that heavy duty balm as a 3rd step. So I go beard oil, this regular beard balm, and then I add as a 3rd step, this heavy duty beard balm, just to keep all those hairs in check. And so, great way to, really style it. But this balm is very smooth. It's got a light yellow to whitish texture. Comes out, no pressure at all having to dig in there. Now the scent on this, it lasts, it's not the longest lasting scent I've ever smelled, but it also doesn't burn off really quick either. You're probably looking at a good 6 to 7 hours of scent you'll be able to smell. So I really like to rub that in, get that in. Go ahead and comb that through. Now that beard balm we just tried out, that goes for $12.50 for 2 ounces as well. So again, great value proposition on that beard balm. So now that we got that combed through, this does a great job of holding stuff. I've got kind of a salt and pepper beard here. A lot of those white hairs get very coarse and tend to fling out. So I actually like to follow up that beard balm, again, with their heavy duty balm. Again, the logos on all this, I really like the packaging here. It's got a nice, clean logo. It's very, I don't know, just a very nice presentation. And so with that heavy duty balm, you're gonna notice it's a little bit harder to scoop out, which is good. That tells me there's a lot of hold in this. There's a lot of beeswax in that. And so scoop out about the same amount. Now with this, I'm not trying to get it into the skin or get it really deep into my hair. I'm more or less just applying this to the top of my beard. A little bit harder to rub through. That's good though. That's that extra beeswax in the product. Again, it's got a great scent. And so I've been doing this daily for the last 5 or 6 days, and this has really softened up my beard. This is probably one of my top 5 to 6 favorite beard companies so far. The fact that they offer so many different products, they also have great customer service, very friendly. And then also within that, they gave us the 4 ounces of the beard wash. Now again, this beard wash has got that West Virginia timber scent. All natural ingredients. I won't go ahead and read all of those, but there's a bunch of great ingredients in there. Everything they do, everything they sell is 100% natural, which is great. you know, you're getting a good quality product. One of my favorite things about this beard shampoo though, a lot of beard shampoos, you take the cap off and you gotta be really careful as you're pouring it out. They've actually got a limiter on top of that cap as well. So that helps me get that exact precise amount of beard wash. Now this beard wash gives you a nice thick lather. The consistency of this, it's not a thin wash, it's not a very thick wash, it's right in the middle there. Very pleasant to use. It gives you a great lather again. And the scent, I mean the scent is amazing. I definitely encourage anybody to try that West Virginia Timber. I think they've got 4 other scents as well, including an unscented option, a citrus spice, coal, and their original scent. And so they actually sent me out some samples of all those scents. So we've got our beard oils here as well as our beard balms. I'm actually going to do a separate review on the different scents just so I can let everybody know what's, you know, the kind of the profile and makeup of those scents. But that'll be coming here pretty soon. One thing I realized, I didn't go into the ingredients on the back of the balm. Here's what you got on the back of the balm. So you're looking at grapeseed oil, almond oil, beeswax, shea butter, cocosea butter, coconut oil, vitamin E, again, your cedar wood, your fir, and your eucalyptus oils. So lots of great stuff in here. Definitely nourishes the beard. Again, definitely has softened up my beard, giving me the control I need. And it doesn't feel overly heavy. You know, a lot of products, you know, sometimes feel too heavy in the beard. This stuff's great. But guys, check out the description below. I'm going to link out all their different social media accounts. They've got, I definitely would recommend, you know, follow them on Facebook, Instagram, you know, whatever social media you guys use. As always, guys, please feel free to subscribe. I'd love to, for you guys to subscribe, hoping to do weekly or if not bi-weekly videos of different products. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching and God bless. Have a wonderful afternoon.